Okay, good morning, class. How are you guys doing today? Good? Me too. Okay, so today we're going to be starting with math, and we're going to be doing a math lesson on money. So I thought I would show you, friends, what change looks like. So to start off, we have a penny, and that is worth 1 cent. It says it on the back. I'll pass that around. Next, we have a nickel. This is worth 5 cents. I'll pass this around as well. Next up, we have a dime, the smallest coin, and that's worth 10 cents. And then finally we have a quarter, and that is worth 25 cents. And then we also have paper money, which is worth more than change, like these coins. So here we have a dollar, which is worth $1. And I also brought in a $5 bill, which is worth $5. We probably won't be working with these today, but we might in the future, so we'll get familiar with these. So, I have a question for you friends now. Do you have a sweet tooth? Do you like to eat sweet stuff? Raise your hand. I know I do. So, what if you were hungry for this peanut butter melt-away bar? I know I am. And it costs 75 cents. Would you know how much to pay for this candy bar so you could have it? No? So, I could pay for this candy bar using 3 quarters. Because 1 quarter, like I mentioned, is 25 cents. So another quarter would be 50 cents, 25 plus 25. And then 25 plus 25 plus another 25 is 75 cents. So if I give that to the person who's selling these, I would be able to have my candy bar. That sounds like fun. What if you were hungry now for some Jell-O? And let's say it costs, I don't know, let's say 30 cents. 30 cents for this little box of Jell-O. Would you know how to pay for that? Anybody? No? Okay, so for this box of Jell-O, we could give them a quarter and a nickel. Does anybody know why I could give the person who is selling this box of Jell-O a quarter and a nickel for this box? Anybody? Yes, good. Because a quarter is worth 25 cents. And a nickel, like I said, was worth 5 cents. So you put them together, 25 plus 5, you get 30. Hand this in, and you get to make some orange flavored Jell-O, which is really good. And one last example for you. What if you're feeling kind of festive, you wanted your feet to be kind of festive, and you wanted to buy these American flag socks? I think they look pretty good. I should start wearing these, actually. They look pretty fun. One goes on one goes on the other. Look at your feet. It's the American flag. So these are going to cost $1.03. So to have these socks, to be able to wear these socks, how do we pay for these? Anybody? Yes. You're on the right track. That's a good start. So it was said that we could give a dollar bill, or we could also give out 4 quarters. 4 quarters equals $1. Remember, 25, 50, 75, like we already talked about, and 75 plus 25 more is $1. So we could do that, which you're on the right track. That would get us to $1. What about $1.03? What about that 3 cents? Does anybody have any ideas? Anyone? Okay. So we could use 3 pennies. Because remember, like I said, a penny is worth 1 cent. So 3 of those would be 1, 2, 3. So we hand over $1, whoops, and 3 cents. Or we hand over 4 quarters and 3 pennies. And we get to call these bright, colorful, festive American flag socks our own. Pretty cool, right? Okay. So to learn more about making change, after what we've learned today with our intro activity on things costing money and our lesson that we did, we're going to play a game. So you're going to be put into groups of 3, I would say, 2 or 3. And you're each going to get a fun, festive tin to match the holidays. You're going to get it. And it's going to be full of change. And there might be a few dollars thrown in as well. So you can look at that. And so each team or each group, well, team or group, whatever you want to call it, is going to get that tin of change and 2 dice blocks like these, nice foam dice blocks. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll these dice blocks and you're also going to get a set of note cards with numbers on them, 1 through 12. And on the back of each note card is going to be an amount of change, or a money amount, that you would have to then make. So you'll use the dice, you'll roll the dice, like I just did. And I got 6. So then, if I'm the roller, I'm going to pick out number 6 card. And I see that that is 44 cents. So I would have to make 44 cents in change. Which, I would look into my tin and find I have a quarter, it's worth 25. A dime, 35. A nickel, 40. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. So as you can see, 25 and 5 is 30. 30 and 10 is 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. That is that card. So you'll each get different cards with different amounts of money on it so you can make change. So you can learn about doing that. And then, okay, after you're done with that, you'll have a reflection sheet to work on at your desk, and that will be the end of our lesson. Sound like a good plan, kiddos? Yep. Okay. Thank you.